So when you pull off your bowl nut, this is what you want to look for. In the top here, that should be a hole. And then on the side, that should be a hole. And there shouldn't be anything inside that hole. So what you're going to do is take a piece of wire and poke it through there and make that hole a hole again. This has 4 strands to it, so I can make different thicknesses. And what you want to do is get that wire through there like that, so that that is a hole again. Not a hooligan, but a hole again.